Hello, Kevin.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, good evening. And welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Kevin?
I'm good.
I'm good. Did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
I know.
No? No?
Yes.
Okay. So, are you ready to continue our lesson last time? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's start our lesson. So we last time we studied about let's review. Let's have a quick review. So last time we studied about sports. So now let's see if you still remember those sports. Let's look at the first sport. What sport is this?
Eat food. Eat basketball.
Okay, very good. It's basketball. How about this one?
Eat tennis.
Tennis, very good. How about this?
Eat hockey.
Yes, perfect. Very good. So hockey. And next, it's
Eat
hmm,
football.
football. Very good. It's football. Next,
Eat
it's
basketball.
okay, one more time. Let's say baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, very good. So again, not basketball. Base, baseball. Baseball.
Baseball.
Okay, very good. Baseball. Next, how about this?
Eat badminton.
Very good. It's badminton. And next, how about this?
Eat table tennis.
Very good. Table tennis. And okay, so we already have done this activity. So good job. So I can see that even though that we haven't met each other last time, so you still remember each sports. So now let's proceed to our activity here. So we will look and find the differences between the picture one and the picture two. So let's go first. So can you circle one difference that you can see? And after that, we will describe it using sentence. Can you circle one only?
Hmm.
Circle one. Mm. What is the differences? For example, we have here this one. Oh, okay. Good job. And for picture two, okay. So first, before we circle the other differences, so let's go first and describe. Okay, wait. Let's describe first. What do we have here, Kevin? Okay, wait. Later we will circle. So let's first describe. Let's describe. Okay. Okay. Okay, go. So let's circle first. Okay. Tell teacher if you are done. Okay. Are you finished? Okay. Okay, let's start with this one. So let's describe. Let's
Oh,
describe what,
oh, no, no, no.
huh? Oh, you're still not done. Okay. Okay, finish first.
Yes.
Then, okay. Okay, so let's describe the things that you circled. Okay, let's go first with the picture number one. What do we have here, Kevin? What is this?
Is sun.
Very good. It's sun. How about in picture number 2?
Is not sun.
Okay, so our sentence here, there is a sun. So again, let's say there is. Let's read the
There
sentence.
is a sun.
Very good. And for picture number 2, we say there is
Not sun.
no sun. Very good. And next, let's proceed to this one. What is the difference between picture number 1, picture number 2? The boy. The boy has. What's this? What's this one that you circle?
Is ha.
Okay, what color?
Is black. Ha.
What color?
Is black.
Okay, so let's say the boy has
A boy has black.
black cap.
Black.
So this one is a cap. Okay.
Hmm.
How about in picture number 2? The boy
The boy is
has.
half green.
Is it green? Is it
No.
color green? What
It's
color is it?
brown.
Okay, brown.
Ha.
Okay, very good. So for this one, Kevin, so we will not use the boy is brown cap because it means that the boy is the brown cap itself. So we will use has instead of is because when we say has, so it describes what we have. For example, teacher has a headset. Kevin has a backpack. Okay, so we will not use teacher is a headset. So you are saying that teacher is a headset or Kevin is a backpack. Okay, so we will use has if we are describing what someone has. Okay, okay, next. Let's have this one. How about this? So we have here this one and this one. What is this in picture number 1? What's
Uh,
that? Where do we use that?
is bat.
It's a
Bat.
bat.
No.
What sport do we use a bat? What sport?
Is
What sport do we use a bat?
bat.
It's what sport?
Uh,
What sport do we use a bat?
Chúng ta sử dụng gậy trong môn thể thao nào?
is basketball.
Okay, again. Is it basketball or baseball?
Baseball.
Okay, so how do you read that one again? Baseball. Again,
Baseball.
baseball bat.
Mm,
Okay, again, what is this, Kevin? This one, what is this?
bat.
Baseball bat.
Bat.
Again, baseball bat.
Baseball bat.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? What sport do we use this?
Is
What sport? Starts with letter H. H, H, H. What sport is that? It's what sport is this?
hockey.
Okay, very good. And what do we call this? What do we call this?
Is
Okay, so we call it as hockey stick. So again, what is this? What's this?
uh,
Hockey
hockey
stick. Again, what's this? This one?
Stick.
Hockey stick. How about this? This one.
Hockey stick.
This one with the circle.
Is
This.
yes.
What's this? What's this? Okay, I will use a different color so that you will not be confused. This one. What's this?
Mm,
What's this?
is hat.
What sport do we use the bat? What sport do we use the bat?
Is
Okay. Baseball.
baseball.
Baseball what? Baseball?
Baseball.
Huh? Again. What is this, Kevin? What's this? What's this?
A bat.
Baseball bat. Again, baseball bat.
Baseball bat.
Okay, how about this? What's this? This one?
Um,
What's this?
mm,
Hmm.
tick.
Yes. And what sport do we use it? What sport? What sport, Kevin? What sport do we use the stick? What sport? Hello, are you still there?
Hockey.
Okay, so hockey stick. Very good. Okay, so next, let's proceed to our next picture that we have here. This one. How about this one? What is this?
A
Look at the circle, the purple circle. What's that?
chicken.
Chicken. How many? How many chicken in picture one?
Is on.
How many?
Eat on.
One. One what? What animal? One.
Chicken.
Chicken. Very good. How about in picture number two?
Eat two chicken.
Okay, two chickens. So
Chicken.
again, okay, very good. So again, when we are describing two or more things, Kevin, when we are describing two or more things, person or animals,
Margarine.
yes, we use or we add letter S. Two chickens, three chickens, one chicken without S. This one we don't add letter S here because we are talking only about one. But if we are talking about two or more things, we add letter S. Okay, chickens, chicken. Okay, again. Okay, how many chicken in this picture?
Eat
This one.
one chicken.
One chicken. How about the in the second picture? How many? In the second picture, how many chickens?
Is two chicken.
Okay, again, let's add letter S because we are talking about two things. Two chickens.
Two
Again,
chicken.
chickens.
Chicken.
Chickens.
Chickens.
Very good. Good job. So add the S sound. Again, this one, how many chicken? This one in the first picture, how many chicken?
Eat one chicken.
Number two, in picture number two, picture number two,
Eat two chicken.
chicken or chickens?
Chicken.
Chicken only? With S or without S?
Chickens.
Okay, very good. So two chickens. Okay, so again, if we are talking about two or more things, so we will add letter S. Two chickens, two elephants.
Three
Okay,
chicken.
okay, don't forget the S sound. Two
Two chicken.
chickens. Okay, perfect. Good job. Okay, next, let's proceed to the next thing that you circle. Okay, let me just delete this one. Okay, this one. What is this?
Eat frog.
Frog. Where is the frog?
Is on ball.
Okay, very good. It's on the ball. Very good. Wow, so nice. So it's on the ball. Next, how about in the second picture? Where is the frog?
Is next to the ball.
Very good. It's next to the ball. Wow, very good. Okay. Next, how about this one? What animal is this? What animal?
Eat rab. Is mouse.
Very good. It's a mouse. Rabbit or mouse? Rabbit or mouse? It's a what animal again, Kevin?
Miss mouse.
Mouse. Very good. It's a mouse. Now, what is the difference between the mouse in picture number one and picture number two? So let's first look at picture number one. Why did you circle the mouse in picture number one?
Picture number one is
The,
um
the mouse.
is
The mouse has. Shall we use is or has? The mouse is or the mouse has?
the mouse is
Hmm? We will use is. Are you sure? Okay, so for this one, we will use has. Has.
has.
Because, yes. And what is, or what do the mouse has in the first picture? Can you describe? Hello?
Bạn có thể mô tả xem con chuột có những gì không?
Can you describe what does the mouse has?
Is
The mouse has
the mouse has
short, short or long tail?
it has
Hmm? Short or long tail?
is short.
Okay, so how do we use it in a sentence? We say the mouse. Okay, let's read the sentence.
The mouse has short tail.
Very good. How about in picture number two? So if in picture number one, the mouse has short tail. How about in picture number two? The mouse
The mouse
has,
has
look at the tail. What happens to the tail of the
the
mouse?
mouse has long tail.
Very good. The mouse has long tail. Very good, very good. Okay, let's proceed to our next picture. Let's have this one. Okay, how about this one, Kevin? How what first, what fruit is this?
E for fruit.
Huh? What fruit?
E for fruit.
Huh?
Đây là loại trái cây gì?
What fruit? Yes,
E
it's a fruit.
is
What is the name of this fruit?
pineapple.
Huh? Is it a pineapple?
No, e pie.
Huh? Pie?
Pear. Pear.
Uh, okay, again, let's say pear.
Pear.
Very good. Again, what fruit is this? What fruit? What fruit? What fruit is this? Hello, Kevin.
It
What
it
fruit?
for it for food.
Yes,
It
it's a fruit.
pear.
What pear? Very good. How many pears can you see in the first picture? How many pears? How
It
many
for
pears?
pear.
4 pair. Okay, shall we use pair or pairs? With S or without S?
It pears.
Very good. So we will use 4 pairs because we are talking about not only one, but we are talking about 4. So we will add letter S. 4 pairs. Again, Kevin, how many pairs in the first picture? How many pairs?
It for pears.
Very good. How about in picture number 2? How many pairs are there?
It three pear.
Pair or pairs?
Pears.
Very good. So it's pairs. Okay,
Pears.
3 pairs. Wow, very good. Okay, next. How about in this one? So we have here, what animal is this? In picture number 2, what animal is that?
It's spider.
Very good.
Spider-Man.
There, Spider-Man. Do you like Spider-Man?
Um,
Do you like Spider-Man or Superman?
no.
I know. Who do you like? Who is the hero or superhero that you like?
Um,
Do you like mm, do you
I
like Thor? Do you know Thor?
no.
Mm, who are the
It's
superheroes? Superheroes, Marvel. Uh, do you know Batman? Batman?
no.
I know you don't know Batman.
I
Hmm.
know.
Oh, you know. You know Batman?
Yes.
Oh, I like Batman. And also Captain America. Do you know Captain America?
No.
I know, really. Okay, I will show you it to it later.
It's the flag.
Oh, you like Batman?
No, it's the flag.
The Flash. Oh, really? You like the Flash? The one who run
It's
fast?
fun. Yes.
It's I
It's
thought
fun.
it's who?
It's fun.
It's fun?
Yes.
Oh, Flash. Flash is fun?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because he runs very fast. Okay, so again, let's go back to this one. So there is a spider in picture number 2. But how about in picture number 1? What
It's
what happened?
no spider.
Very good. So there is no spider. And
No
how
spider.
okay, how about this one? What is this, Kevin? What's this?
It's
Hmm. What?
book.
Very good. So we will say there is a book. There is a book. How about in picture number 1? What happened? There is there a book in picture number 1? Is there a book in picture number 1? Hello? Is
And
there
num-
what a
number one is notebook.
notebook? Very good. So there is no book. So okay. So good job. Those are all of the differences that we can see in the picture. But I have another differences that I can see here. So I'll just circle this one. This one. So I have here this and this. Okay. So now,
Oh.
let's take a look at the hand of
Hmm.
the boy in the first picture. What is that? What clothing is that, Kevin? What clothing? It's a, what do we use or what do we
In
put?
match.
It's a,
Match.
is it a match? Okay, again, let's say watch.
What?
Okay,
Watch.
watch. Very good.
Watch.
So it's a watch. And where is the watch? Is it on the right hand or on the left hand? Right?
Left
Or,
hand.
okay, watch is on the left
Oh.
hand. How about in the second picture? Where is the watch? Where's the watch on the second picture? Watch is on the, where is the watch? Right or left hand? Hmm? Where's the watch? Where is the watch? Where is the watch? Kevin, where is the watch in picture number 2? Where? Is it on the right or on the left hand? Oh, where? Hello? Can you hear teacher? Where is the watch? Is it
What?
on the right or on the left hand? Where? Because in the first picture, the watch is on the left hand. Now, where is the watch in picture number 2? Kevin, where is the watch?
Is
On the right hand or on the left hand?
right hand.
Okay, very good. Actually, this one is arm, so we call it as, so it's on the right arm. Okay, very good. So those are all of the things or the differences that we can see in picture number 1 and picture number 2. So very good. So I think all of the things we found it all. So good job. Good job for your participation in activity number 3. And now let's proceed and move on to our next page. So let's see. Okay, so for our next page, so we have here a practice test. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture and we will write one word. So for example, let's first read the first example question here, Kevin. So let's read. How many? Okay, let's read.
How
How
many there?
how many
There.
trees are there? Okay, let's see. How many trees
How many trees
are
are
there?
there?
Okay, let's take a look at the picture. How many trees can you see in the picture? How many trees?
Two trees.
Very good. So the answer here is 2. Very good. This is the answer, 2. Next. Okay, let's take a look at this man. Okay, and let's read the second question. What's the man holding? What's the man holding?
Mm, uh, mm, what's the man holding?
Okay, what's the man holding? What is this? What? Look at the picture. What is that? What is he holding? Is it the shoes? Is it a notebook? What's
Uh,
this? Is it the shoes? Is it the notebook? Is it the pencil case? What's that, Kevin?
Eat bag.
Very good. So the answer in number 2 is a bag. Okay, so now let's answer some questions ourselves. So let's go first with number 1. Okay, so number 1, let's read the question. Where's the girl? Let's say, where's the girl?
Run.
Okay, so now let's take a look at the girl. Where is the girl? Is the girl in front of her mom? In front? In
In
front?
front of
Huh? Is it in front?
uh,
Is she in
of
front of her mom? Behind?
is in front of.
Huh? Really? This one is the girl.
Eat behind.
Okay. Behind her. Who is this? Behind her.
Behind the mom.
Very good. Behind her mom. Very good. Next, let's take a look at the second question. And let's read. What's the woman wearing? Again, let's read. What's the
What the
woman
woman
wearing?
wearing?
Okay, let's take a look at this woman. Okay, what is she wearing? Is it a blue t-shirt, a blue shirt, a blue jacket, or a blue dress?
He blue dress.
What is it? Blue?
He blue dress.
Very good. It's a blue dress. Wow, perfect. And next, let's proceed to our next page. Okay, so let's take a look at our question number 3. So let's read. Which animal? Which animal?
Which animal is boy hunting us?
Okay, let's take a look. This boy is pointing at what animal? What animal is this?
His neck.
Very good. It's the snake. Very good. Next, let's read number 4. What's number 4? What's what's
The mouse doing
okay, what's the mouse doing?
is next to the snake.
Oh, yes, it is next to the snake. But the question here is, what is the mouse doing? It is not where is the mouse. What is the mouse doing?
Con chuột đang làm gì vậy?
Is sleep.
Okay, so the mouse is sleeping. Okay, when we are describing what's happening right now, so we add ing at the end of the word. Like for example,
Khi mô tả những gì đang diễn ra ngay lúc này, chúng ta thêm đuôi ing vào cuối từ.
we want to describe right now what is the mouse doing. So your word is sleep. So since so
Is sleeping.
sleeping, very good. So since what the mouse is doing right now is sleep, so we will just add ing. So it will be sleeping. Okay. And next, let's proceed to our last question. Let's read, which animal?
Which animal is running?
Okay, let's take a look. Which animal is running in the picture, Kevin? Which animal is running?
Is dog.
Con vật nào?
Very good. It's the dog. Very good. What color is the dog? What colors the dog?
It was black.
Very good. It's white and black. Okay, good job. Very good for this activity. So I can see that you mostly can describe, especially what you can see in the picture. So good job. So now let's go to our next activity. This will be a listening activity. And after that, so we will tick the box. So what is the person doing? Okay, based on the sound that we will listen to. So let's first listen to number one. But first, let's read the question. Where's
Where's that?
where's Ben's dad? Again, where's Ben's dad?
Where's Ben's dad?
Okay, let's listen. Where is Ben's dad?
Listening 31. Starters Practice Test. Listening Part 3. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What's Kim taking to school?
Have you got some pencils for school, Kim? And a rubber?
Yes, Mummy.
And some fruit, Kim? You've got that? Good. And your jacket?
No, Mummy. I don't want it. I'm okay, thanks.
Okay.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where's Ben's dad?
Where's your dad today, Ben? Is he eating his supper in the dining room?
No, he isn't. Is he in the bathroom, Mum?
Well, I can't see him there.
Oh, look. He's in the hall. He's talking on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so again, let's listen to where is Ben's dad?
Can't see him there.
Oh, look. He's in the hall. He's talking on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Kevin, based on the sound that we heard, so where is Ben's dad?
The Ben's dad is
Is
dad
is it is it letter A, letter B, or letter C?
is brush my teeth.
Huh? Brush my teeth?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen one more time. Okay, so let's listen.
No, he isn't. Is he in the bathroom, Mum?
Well, I can't see him there.
Oh, look. He's in the hall. He's talking on the phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay, where is Ben's dad? He
The
is
Ben's is room.
what room? He's in the
Ha.
Ben's dad is in the read this one.
In the hand.
Okay, again, let's say hall.
Hall.
Okay, so again, where is Ben's dad?
Hall.
Ben's dad is in the
In the
what is Ben's dad doing? What is Ben's dad doing?
in the room. Room.
What is Ben's dad doing?
In a room.
Yes, it's a room. Yes. What is Ben's dad doing?
Is talking.
Talking to? Talking to
Mom.
what? Talking to
To
the what do we call
mom.
what do we call this?
Talking to mom.
To mom?
Yes.
What's this one? This one. What's this? What's that?
Is
It's a phone. Okay. So now again, Kevin, where is Ben's dad?
Independence.
He is in the
He is in the room.
huh? Is in the room? All you need is read this one. We have here the answer. You just need to read it.
Yes,
Where
he
he is.
in the hell.
Again, let's say hall, not hell.
Hall.
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 Okay, very good.
He's talking to the iPhone.
The iPhone, the phone. Okay, so
The phone.
okay, let's take a look at the picture. Is it letter A, B, or C? A, B, or C? This one, or this one? What picture? Draw a check. Draw a check.
He
Draw a check. Is it A? What is our answer? A,
he brushed
B?
my teeth.
Brush my teeth. We talk about it. So he is in the hall. He's talking to the phone. So what letter is it? Is it letter A, letter B, or letter C? Letter?
C.
Oh, very good. It's letter C. Good job. So you just need to focus. So again, so this one, Ben's dad is not brushing his teeth because he is in the hall. He's talking to the phone. He's not brushing his teeth. Okay, let's listen to number 2. So make sure to listen for you to be able to know the answer. Okay,
2.
2.
What's Tony's favourite sport?
Do you like tennis, Tony?
No, I'm not very good at it.
Oh, well, do you like badminton then?
It's okay, but can we play basketball? I really like that. It's my favourite.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, again, let's
3.
okay. Okay. So let's read the second question, Kevin. What's Tony's? Let's read. What?
Basketball.
Okay, very good. So again, let's first read the question so that you can practice your speaking skills. So let's say, what's Tony's
Tony's
favorite
sport.
sport? Okay, what is Tony's favorite sport? It's letter
Basketball.
basketball. Very good. And is it letter A, letter B, or letter C?
Basketball.
Yes, where is the picture of the basketball? Is it letter A, letter B, or letter C?
Letter B.
Very good. It's letter B. So let's analyze the sport that we have because since we are talking about sports, so Kevin, for letter A, what sport is that? What sport is letter A?
Badminton.
Very good. How about letter C?
Is tennis.
Very good. It's tennis. Okay. And next, let's proceed to number 3. So very good. Next, number 3, let's listen.
Which is Grace's new toy?
Is that a new toy, Grace?
Yes. Do you like it? It's my pink monster called Leggy.
But it's only got one leg and one foot.
I know. And it's got a nice face, hasn't it?
Well, I don't know. It's got 6 eyes. That's a lot.
I know.
Okay, again.
Okay then.
Number 3.
Which is Grace's new toy?
Is that a new toy, Grace?
Yes. Do you like it? It's my pink monster called Leggy.
But it's only got one leg and one foot.
I know. And it's got a nice face, hasn't it?
Well, I don't know. It's got 6 eyes. That's a lot.
I know.
Okay, so Kevin, in number 3, which is Grace's new toy? Based on the sound that we heard, how many legs and how many foot does the toy has?
B.
Hmm?
B.
Okay, again, how many legs and how many foot does the toy has?
It's
Món
one
đồ
leg.
chơi đó có bao nhiêu cái chân và bao nhiêu bàn chân?
How
It's
many?
one leg.
One leg. Very good. How about how many eyes does the doll has? How many eyes?
Con búp bê có bao nhiêu con mắt?
How many?
6 is 6.
Okay, very good. So we have one leg and one foot, and we have 6 eyes. So now, which is Grace's new toy? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C? What's your answer?
Letter B. Letter B.
Okay, let's check. Let's check if your answer is correct. So let's check the eyes of this monster. How many eyes does it has? Or does it have? How many eyes? How many eyes?
It's 6 eyes.
6 eyes. Very good. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many legs and foot? How many legs and foot?
It's one foot, one leg.
Very good. So this is the answer. So it's letter B. Okay. So for our next number, number 4. So let's find out, what does Alex want for dinner? Let's listen to number 4.
4. What does Alex want for dinner?
Would you like chicken for dinner, Alex?
Can I have a burger, please, Mum?
Okay. Do you want potatoes and carrots with it?
No, thank you. Chips and peas, please, Mum.
Oh, okay.
Okay, again.
4.
Is
What does Alex
Hi.
want for dinner?
Is it? What is it?
I. Is I. Is I.
Letter A? Okay, so let's describe what is in letter A. What food is this?
Eat burger.
Burger?
Eat French fry.
Is it French fries?
Nah.
Based on the sound, what do we heard? Is it French fries or chips?
Eat chips.
Very good. How about this one? This green.
Eat bean.
Okay, wow, very good. So good listening skills. So we have here letter A. So Alex wants burger, chips, and peas for dinner. So very good, very good. Okay, so let's proceed. Oh, so we had finished our lesson number 4. So good job, good job. Goodbye. We still have 10 minutes. Okay. So good job for finishing our lesson 4, Kevin. So we have our new lesson right now, which is lesson number, let me just open. So very, very little. Lesson number 9. Oh, unit 9, lesson 1. So we will proceed to our new lesson, which is unit 9, lesson 1. So let's go and let's read. What is it all about? So we have here unit 9, which is all about my hobbies. Okay, let's see. Okay, my hobbies. Okay, so for this one, when we say hobbies, Kevin, hobbies are the things that we do or we like to do when we have free time. So hobbies are the things that we like to do when we have a free time. For example, I like to play basketball in my free time. So that is our hobby. So our hobby is playing basketball. Another example, I like to play football in my free time. So that is one hobbies. So for this lesson, we will talk about the things that we like to do. Okay, let's first go to the first part of our lesson, which is the words. So we will learn some new words in this lesson.
Doing sports.
Okay, so let's read first our first word. So can you read this word, Kevin? Doing, doing.
Is
Again, let's say doing sports.
doing sport.
Okay, doing sports. So now let's take a look at the picture.
Is
Yes. So in this picture, our first hobby is doing sports. So when we say
sport.
yes, doing sports. When we say doing sports, Kevin, it is playing games like football, running, karate, swimming, skateboarding, basketball. What sport is this? Do you know what sport is?
Boxing.
Boxing. Very good. How about this one?
Uh,
What's this? Hmm. What sport is that? Hmm. What sport is that? Okay. Actually, that one is what we call as skiing. Skiing. Yes. Again, skiing. Skiing. Yes. So this is the things or the sport that we do, especially in the winter season. So let me show you some skiing activity here. So here, let me show you some video. How do we do the sport skiing? Like that. Okay, so that is skiing. And next we have snowboarding. This one. So we also do this, especially in the winter season. This one. This. That. So those are the sports that we do, especially in the winter or in the snow, because we need to slide. We need to slide down the snow. Okay, so that is doing sports. Okay, so let's go back. So this one is this one is snowboarding, and this one is skiing. Okay, how about this one, Kevin? What sport is this?
Baseball.
Base.
Ball.
Very good. It's baseball. So good job. And this one, actually, this one is what we call the sport martial art. Martial art.
Is karate.
Yes, it's also karate. Karate is under martial arts. Okay, so those are doing sports. It is playing games. So doing sports is what we do, especially when we have a free time. How about you, Kevin? What sports do you play as your hobby?
Bạn chơi môn thể thao nào như một sở thích?
What sport do you play as your hobby?
is basketball.
Okay, I play basketball. Very good. Okay, let's proceed to our next hobbies that we
Painting
do.
and drawing pictures.
Okay, let's read. Painting and drawing pictures.
Painting and drawing picture.
Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at the picture. Kevin, what is the boy doing? What's the boy doing?
Cậu bé đang làm gì vậy?
Is painting and drawing.
Very good. What is he drawing? What is he drawing?
Drawing a picture.
What kind of picture? Look at the picture. What kind of picture is that? Is that an animal?
No.
No. What is it? He's
It's
drawing. Drawing
hole. Hole.
a?
A hole.
Okay, again. Let's say house.
House.
Very good. So he's drawing a house. Very good. So this is a house. We have your tree, clouds, and the sun. So that is our second hobby that we do in our free time. So do you like to draw? Do you like to draw, Kevin? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, really? What are the things? What are the things that you draw?
Bạn thường vẽ những gì?
Is
What are the things? Do you draw animals? Do you draw people? Do you draw superhero?
is home.
House. You draw house?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's a very good drawing. So like the boy in the picture, the boy is drawing a house. So again, let's review the two hobbies that we learned. The first one is, what is our first hobby, Kevin? What's the first one? Doing. What's our first hobby? Hello. What's our first hobby? Doing.
Sở thích đầu tiên của chúng ta là gì?
Doing. Doing what?
Football.
Doing. Huh?
Is football.
Football. Yes. What do we call football? What is football? It's
Is
letter S. Starts with letter S. It's sports.
ball.
Again, let's review. Our first hobby is doing. Doing what? Doing sports. Again, first, doing sports.
Doing sport.
Okay, again, what's our first hobby?
Sở thích đầu tiên của chúng ta là gì?
What's our first hobby?
Is sport.
Doing sports only? We say doing sports.
Doing sport.
What is our second hobby? What's our second hobby?
Sở thích thứ hai của chúng ta là gì?
Is basketball.
Basketball?
Yes.
This one in the picture. Is this a basketball? No, our second hobby is painting and drawing pictures.
Painting and drawing picture.
Okay, so again, doing sports, painting and drawing pictures. Okay, so I think, Kevin, we do not have much enough time. That is why we will continue this lesson in our next class, which is on Wednesday. Okay, so make sure to review the two hobbies that we already had learned: doing sports and painting and drawing pictures. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.